Hey, what's up guys? Mr. Tracer here. Today we are going to be doing another shoutout video. So yeah, so as you guys know, the previous shoutout video that I did was on a shoutout to Blue Speedstar, and yeah, that was really awesome. So yeah, congratulations Blue Speedstar. So yeah, finally deserve a shoutout. So yeah. So yeah, for this shoutout video, we are going to be doing another shoutout to another requested subscriber that he keeps commenting about 2 or 3 times, or I should say twice, I should say. So, the person who wants me to do a shoutout, it is going to be, well, I can't really tell, because it is a little secret. No, I'm just kidding. It's a little surprise. Yep, it is a little surprise. Well, the person who wants a big shoutout, he wants one? What? Alright, so let's just get into this. So the person who will get a shout out to, it is Sonic the Hedgehog 2342. So yeah, Sonic the Hedgehog 2342 for watching this video. Congratulations, you have finally deserve a big shout out. So yeah, your videos are really awesome. So yeah, your videos are really awesome. You've done Super Smash Flash 2 and all the other stuff. So Sonic, mostly Sonic games and a little bit of Mario games and that stuff. So that's awesome. So yeah. So yeah, for watching this. So yeah, dude, if you're watching this video, congratulations. And yeah, and also this is the main person who nominated me to do the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. So yeah, so. Yep, so that's the person who nominated me to do the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. Yeah, so that's the main person. So yeah, I like his channel art, looks pretty good, and profile picture looks amazing. It looks really good. So yeah, it does really good videos and that stuff. So yeah, it does really good videos and that stuff. So yeah, so yeah, without further ado, let's send this video off. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching the video. Please leave a comment, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next shoutout video. So yeah, let me know guys in the comments below if you want me to do a shoutout video. If you said do me a shoutout, then I'll do you a shoutout straight away. So yeah, just like Sonic the Hedgehog, 2342 done, just like he does. So yeah, make sure to do like he did. Make sure, let me know guys in the comments below. Do a shout out. So yeah, and one thing guys, before we end this video up, don't forget guys to smash the like button and let's go over this video under 3 likes. And if you manage to reach under 3 likes or more, I'll do the next shout out video as soon as possible. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching the video, and bye and peace out everyone, and congratulations, Sonic the Hedgehog 2342.